Uh-oh. Oh, there. Uh-oh. Well. Ah. We did a wind test and everything.
We must both the planes and the rocket. What else could we use?
There's the rocket. Where is it? I don't know if you can see that. There it is, hanging up there in the tree. Ah.
What else could we lose?
Ah, Shane. That's disappointing.
Yeah, we lost everything. Where'd it go?
I thought one of the airplanes came back over this way, though.
It did and then flew back the other way.
Oh, no.
There's some water.
Oh, boy.
I'm not going to put a big cut through this wood.
Ah, alright. Well, we thought we'd picked a good spot.
Let's go hunt.
We did 2 wind tests, and the wind was blowing that way over there. So we thought we had a good spot to launch.
I think we should have left it the first place.
And evidently you were right. Alright, let's see what we can recover.